Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is November the 4th, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update here out in the garden on the cabbage plants. Now, earlier in the season, the big cabbage heads were harvested off, and our cabbage plants gave little ones from the original plant off. So, like this one here, this is a nice solid head here once you get all these leaves off of here. So you can actually eat this one here. There's another one over here. It's a nice solid head there. It formed into smaller cabbage heads. Now, the cabbage loppers did munch on the leaves quite a bit, and here's some more here. And what we actually did, you can see how bad the cabbage loppers ate this one here, is we were running out of lettuce. And we had a bunch of cabbage left over. We didn't have enough to make any more sauerkraut, but we wanted to use the cabbage heads. So we started using them in place of our lettuce. We had ran out of lettuce, and we had a bunch of cabbage, so we actually just switched them out. And we started eating the cabbage in place of the lettuce. And it's really good. I really enjoyed it. We have some more over here. And I think we have one more cabbage head inside to finish eating before we'll start pulling these out here. So this is a Red Acres cabbage here, and this over here is, I'm trying to remember the name, Brunswick cabbage. This one over here is an heirloom. Really good flavor to them. I really like them. We also grew the, I believe it's pronounced Copenhagen, early market, and we grew the premium flat late Dutch. So, with the exception of these, and we did harvest some broccoli off, and we have some Brussels sprouts back here. The garden is done for the season. So we do have some Brussels sprouts here. See here, nice Brussels sprouts there. We did have a frost today, so that'll make your Brussels sprouts even sweeter. We did have some before the frost. Really good. They were really sweet. I love Brussels sprouts. Even though a frost hadn't hit them yet, it was still really good tasting. They say when a frost hits like your Brussels sprouts, it will make them sweeter. But I like them the way they were. You can see what the cabbage loppers did. They just devoured these plants. And then we have some broccoli plants that went to flower. They might go to seed. It's an Italian heirloom over there. And the weeds kind of got ahead of us this year. But we'll get after that later on. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on this. You can see one of the little broccoli heads here that they produced. Some tomatoes that aren't any good anymore. So I just want to give you this quick update. I'll actually put a link down. I'll put some links down in the description for what we fed the cabbage plants this year, so you can see what we fed them. And I'll also leave a link for a video for how I fed them, so you can see how they were fed. These were fed all organic. There were no chemicals used on the no chemical fertilizer, sorry about that, used on the cabbage plants. I think we did use some neem oil on them just to help with some of the pests that were trying to eat them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That tells you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.